Okay, we just made it to our RV in Misty Haven. Here's the bed. It's a Murphy bed. It closes, but right now it's open. We've got these little compartments. It's very bright in here. It's very nice. And this sofa converts to a bed. And there's a little TV, refrigerator, and a little sink, an oven, which we're not going to use, and a microwave. So it's perfect. This is like a perfect travel trailer for 2 people. So it was nice. They made us muffins. There was 4 of them. Today there's only 2. Somebody ate 2 already. And there's 2 left. They're good. They're like carrot, banana, raisin mix. And we are eating Nutella for breakfast with bananas. Yeah, it's nice here. You can see the ice on my car because it was 17 degrees overnight. So now the sun is coming up from that side, so it's starting to. Yeah, and earlier we saw 5 deer. Okay, it's Saturday morning. We are at the Misty Haven RV place, or Misty Haven cabin place. This is our car. It's got ice. It's 20 degrees right now. And there's the little trailer. It's really, really nice. We'll do a video later. But yeah, it's a very nice place. It's very cozy. And that's the property. These are the cabins. And here you can see there's deer. Well, I guess they don't need to be too close. I'm bundled up. It's nice and cold.
See, there's a swing over there.
Okay, we are, it's about 9 o'clock. We're on our morning walk. It's so beautiful. You can hear the birds chirping. We'll see if we see our friends.
The sun is out today.
Yeah, it's beautiful weather. Oh look, they have a deer feeder, so... Ooh. Nice little swing, and there you can see in the back our trailer. Later we're gonna come out and fly drone and do metal detecting
and painting,
all kinds of activities. And this is Snoopy. Hey, buddy.
Oh, they have their own little house.
Hey, chicken.
Oh, hi, cuties.
Well, they're
I think they think we're gonna feed them. Oh, they talk. Were y'all cold last night, girls? They're so sweet. I think they think you're gonna feed them.
There's a nice little area here with a fire pit. And a nice seating area. Sundown Lounge. Alright, it's lunchtime at the Misty Haven trailer. Not a campground, what is it? Cabins. And we are having our ham and cheese. We just did a tour of the actual cabins. They showed them to us. It was really nice. Yeah, they did all the work, and the hosts, Linda and Stuart, are very nice. Such a nice couple, and very helpful. And here's our view. And the weather is beautiful. It's perfect. It's sunny and it's 60s. And oh, Andrea just painted her little Maya cat.
See her?
Yeah.
Oh. There's a bee.
Alright. I'll talk to y'all later.
Hi, cutie.
So we were metal detecting, and we saw this goat across the street. This is the property where we're at. And there he is.
Hi, sweetie. Let me take a picture of him. Hi, baby. Look how cute you are. I love you.
Make sure he doesn't bite you, babe.
He's just licking me. Hi. Billy goat, look at his little hairs. Hi, cutie. Look at his eyes. Okay, it's a Saturday night. We just came back from having dinner,
at the Forge restaurant in Bandera. It was really good. And now we're sitting by the bonfire near the cabins.
It's so nice.
We've got hot chocolate and hot coffee or tea.
Tea.
And this is what the sundown lounge looks like at night. It's very cool. And the fire, I think, is starting to burn. There's a little deer right here by the fence, by our trailer. She's very cautious.